girls.
Right. Get ready, Izzy!
Oh, good. Oh, man.
Good pass.
Man, what a slick pass that was.
Oh my goodness.
Come on, girls.
You've got to be kidding me. Right. Get ready, Izzy!
Oh, good. Oh, man. You see that one?
Yeah.
Side of her foot, too.
Good job, Cameron! Good pass!
Go.
There you go! Good job!
Get up, Lily.
Woo! Good job!
There you go, Casey. There you go, Cameron.
Yeah, from
Come on, Lisa. Push it up.
Good job! Go! Go, Alex! Get up there, get up!
Come on, Cameron.
Woo! Good job, Isabel! 16's good.
Hey, Cameron, stay ready. Come on, Cameron.
Oh, good job! Good try!
Good pass.
That's two.
16's good.
Hey, Cameron, stay ready. Come on, Cameron.
Good try!
Cameron, good pass.
That's two.
Looking at the goal.
Oh! Woo! Nice try, Izzy! Good try, Izzy!
Good job. Looking at the goal.
Woo! Nice try, Izzy! Good try, Izzy!
Good job.
Get it, Caroline. Come on, Alana! Oh, nice try, Alana!
Pass and go.
Go, Blue, go!
Pass and go. You better get to the ball.
There you go, Olivia.
Turn it up. Bring it up, Caroline. There you go.
Go, Olivia, go. Go, Olivia.
Up around, Alexis. Pick it up.
Good pass, Olivia.
Go, Alexis.
Go, Alexis. Quick.
Go down, Morgan. Go, Olivia.
Good. Keep passing it off to each other.
That's right.
Go, Caroline, up on her.
Good try, girl. Go, Olivia.
Come on, Ashley!
Good pass.
Come on, Lauren, get it.
There it is, Alexis.
Take it in.
Oh! There you go!
No one wants to sit. Come on, Lauren.
Go, Alexis. Head to the goal. Olivia's looking for you.
Come on, Blue! Pass it back. Good job, Lee. Go, Lee! Get up there, Ashley!
Go, Olivia, take it up.
Go, Olivia, go.
Good pass.
Shoot. Oh, good. Good job. Good pass, good job.
There you go, Lee!
Good job, Caroline. Good job, Caroline. Go get it, Caroline. Get it. Go get it. Go get it.
We're close to that.
Nice kick! Oh,
Go get it, Caroline. Go get it, Caroline.
come on, Alex!
Get out of there. Go.
Cut her off. Cut her off.
Good job, Caroline.
Caroline, watch the ball. Come on.
Go get it, Caroline. Go get it.
Go to her. Go to her.
Get ready, Cam.
Get rid of it. Good job.
Take it.
Go, Isabel. Go, Isabel. Go, Isabel.
Down there.
Go, Isabel. Shoot. Nice. Good job, Isabel.
Go, Blue!
Get rid of it. Good job.
Well, she went so fast, I don't think I got it.
It was a straight in kick. Should have happened.
Come on, Blue! Get in there, Blue!
Go, Olivia.
Chase her down, stay on her.
Get out of there!
Get in front of her, Isabel. You can get her, take it away. Take it away, stay with them. Ooh. 11 would have been good.
Good throw. Go, Olivia.
Go, go, go.
Help her out.
Go, Olivia. Get it, Olivia.
Get in there, Izzy!
Go get it, Olivia.
Stay with it, girls. Come on, Isabel.
Go, Blue!
Go, Olivia.
Head to the goal. Isabel, head to the goal.
Go to the goal, Isabel.
Izzy,
Go get it, Olivia.
Help her out, 11. Where's 11 at?
Go, Blue! Get it out of there!
Good try, Olivia.
Try, Olivia.
Cut her off. Help her out, you guys.
Take it down! Take it down!
You got to get in front of her. Move to her. There's two of you. Two of you. One go.
Nice. Good job, Katie. Good job.
I'm here, I'm Miss Amira's class. We did have
And then do you have to tell a story about where he went that weekend?
Go, Caroline. Stay with it.
Oh, good job. Like a story.
That's what I told Babson too. I said, yes.
Move up on her, you guys.
Go get it.
Go on, go get it.
Go get it. Go.
Shoot! Shoot! Shoot!
Oh.
Oh,
Caroline.
good boot.
Shoot! Shoot! Shoot!
Head to the goal. She's waiting on you.
Good, Lee!
Go, Liz.
Go get it. Olivia, get ready, Olivia. Go get it.
Oh,
Go
man.
get her.
I walked over to talk to Mary Catherine, and she was playing that right defense.
Yeah.
Oh.
How close she was. You think she might be able to get that?
Back, Lex.
Go,
There you
Olivia,
go. Help her out. Head her out. Head her out.
Go, Olivia.
Get up there, Alexis. Right, Olivia.
Yeah.
Back, Lex.
Go,
There you
Olivia,
go. Help her out. Head her out.
Go, Olivia.
Get up there, Alexis. Olivia. Yep.
Go! Make it yours! Come on, Izzy! Go, Izzy!
That's it.
Good job, Lee!
Get ready, Alexis. Get ready for a break.
Go, Olivia. Go, Isabel. Oh.
Cut her off. Cut her off, Alexis. Cut her off. Go across.
Good pass! Come on,
gotta cut her off.
Go, Rachel! Go, Izzy! Izzy!
go cut her off. You can apologize later.
Good job, Liv. Way to go, Lydia. Go, Lydia.
Get ready, Lick.
Go, Olivia. Good job, Olivia. Go, Olivia. Liv. Way to go, Lydia. Go, Lydia.
Get ready, Lick.
Go, Olivia. Good job, Olivia. Good job, Olivia. Good job, Olivia.
3-2. I'm getting butterfly.
Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Shoot.
Oh.
Go get it. Go get it. Shoot.
Oh.
There you go. Keep going,
Go get it, Olivia. Go get it, Olivia.
Go to her.
Come on, girls.
Cut her off.
Shoot it,
No. Yeah. Don't let up now. Keep up, keep up. Keep your eyes up. Keep your eyes up. Ooh, get back up. Come on, Olivia.
Come on, Caroline. Stay with it. Pick it up, Olivia. Good pass. Go, Isabel. Olivia. Good pass.
Way to work it, guys.
Pass, Olivia. Go, Isabel. Good job. Go, Isabel.
Come on, Alicia, get in there.
Get up.
Come on, Izzy.
Go, Cameron. Get up, get up, get up.
Pass it to Alana.
Get it, Caroline. Charge the ball, Caroline. Go get it.
Kick it in. Oh, good defense, White. Good job, Lee. Come on, Izzy. Go, Alana.
Help,
Big kick.
Caroline. Good job.
Nice try, Alana. There we go.
Quickly. Hustle back,
There you
Caroline.
go, Lee.
Good stop.
There you go. Take it. Go, Blue.
Get in there.
Shoot it, Alana. Ready, Blue. Kick it at the goal.
Nice.
Good.
Go get it, Alexis.
Come on, Blue.
Go, Katie. Go, Alexis. Go. Go, Katie. Get it. Go, Katie. Go, Alexis. Let's go, Olivia.
Good job.
Go get it, Olivia.
Stay on her, Alexis.
Good.
Good job, girl.